Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add audio and video in Framer. Whether you're building a portfolio site, a client presentation, or an interactive web experience, embedding media directly into your Framer project can really elevate your design and make it more engaging for visitors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. This is your central hub for managing everything you create in Framer. Now locate the project where you want to add your audio and video elements. Simply click on that project to open it. This will take you directly into the Framer editor where you can start customizing and adding new components to your design. Let's start by adding audio. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu with various elements you can add to your project. From there, click on Media. You'll notice an option labeled Audio, so go ahead and select that. Framer gives you several audio source options to choose from, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, Apple Music, Simplecast, or MP3. For this tutorial, let's select MP3, which allows you to upload your own custom audio files directly. Once you've selected MP3, simply drag it onto your canvas where you want the audio player to appear. After placing it, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see an audio section with various settings. Under that section, there's a field labeled Source. Click on Upload, and then click Choose File. This will open a file browser where you can navigate through your computer's folders, find the audio file you want to add, select it, and it will upload directly into your Framer project. The audio player will now be embedded and ready to use. Now let's move on to adding video. Once again, click Insert at the top of the screen. You'll see you have three options here: Video, YouTube, and Vimeo. For this example, let's try adding a video through YouTube, which is a popular and straightforward method. Select YouTube and drag it onto your canvas, positioning it wherever you'd like the video to display. After placing it, take a look at the right side panel. Again, you'll see a YouTube section with a field labeled Video. This is where you'll paste the link to your YouTube video. So open a new tab or window and head over to YouTube. Find the video you want to embed and copy its URL from the address bar, then return to Framer and paste that URL into the video field. The video will now load and display within your project, fully functional and ready for playback. And there you have it. You've successfully added both audio and video to your Framer project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.